Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video, and in today's video we have this R1T Rivian 2022 and we're going to install the tail light tints for this vehicle. So we're installing this piece here and the other two pieces for the tail light. And this is how the vehicle looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the tints have been installed. So the tints will provide protection from any small scratches and any road debris that might hit the tail light, prevent the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as giving it a new look on your vehicle. And if you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the whole tail light piece here, as well as the two outside pieces. So it's just baby shampoo mixed with water, and that removes any of the contamination that the vehicle might have on the tail light. For this installation, the tints covers the inside of the tail light, so just clean the inside of the tail lights as well. So to install the tint, we want to make sure that we apply slip solution on the tail light and also on the tint piece. So with this one, just place it down. Once you place the film on the tail light, you are going to notice that the tint does have a mark in the middle. So this mark, you're going to align it right in the middle. So I'll show you right now how it looks and where you're supposed to center it. So there's one here and another one here. So it's between the V and the I. So you're going to place that mark on the tint right aligned in the middle of the two centers there. So it should be right there, right in the center. The next step is aligning the rest of the film. So we want to make sure we align it right up to the edge here. So center it, make sure it's right above the edge. It's not going to do a full coverage on top. It's just right on the edge right here of the flat surface of the tail light. So apply tack solution and then tack down the upper piece first. And all I'm doing is just making sure we don't leave any water bubbles on the back of the film, because once we finish sealing this piece here, the top piece, we have to seal the bottom piece. And right here, the tail light does have a curve, and with this piece we're just going to have to tack it down with tack solution. So now it's just spraying tack solution underneath. And for this part, you want to hold the piece of the tint to the tail light in position. That way the adhesive activates and sticks to the curve of the tail light. So you just want to hold it in place for a bit, squeegee, and continue. And from here it starts getting more flatter, so it's just squeegeeing. To seal this piece down, we're going to apply tack solution. And with heat, we're just going to go section to section. Press the film, that way the adhesive cures faster and it sticks to the tail light. So once we make sure this piece is done and there's no solution on the back of the film, we could finish off by sealing off the bottom piece that we still have left. So this one's just adding tack solution all around the bottom. And as you're adding tack solution, you can start little by little tacking the film down into position. And you can use heat with the microfiber towel to absorb the tack solution and to help seal the film onto the tail light. So once we finish installing the whole piece on the front, now we need to just finish off installing this piece. So with this one, we're just going to apply tack solution, and you're just going to help the film curve to the tail light here. So just go like that. Make sure this piece is sealed first. So remove any solution that might be behind the film. And then from here, squeegee at an angle. That way we start tacking down the rest of the film. And it should look like that. And any small fingers that you do come across here, like these small ones, just apply tack solution. And then with a little bit of heat, they should start removing. And the same thing we did to this side, we do it to the other side of the tail light. So now that we have the trunk open and we finished installing the front tail light, Now we can move on with the side pieces. So with this one, apply slip solution on the lens and on the tint. And align it right to the edge where the color of the lens is going to change to the black accent here. So right there, make sure it's aligned on this end here, going around the curve. Once you have it here, spray tack solution, squeegee to tack the piece down. So now that this piece is tacked down, all we have to do is do the remaining piece here. So just place it, tack it down, and make sure it's aligned. And then right here, once we get to this piece, it's going to be the same thing as we did with the other tail light, which is just curving it to the edge here and then tacking it down with tack solution, and then with heat, and it should seal. And then from here, just squeegee everything. And just seal off the edges here on top and bottom with heat and tack solution. Once you finish sealing everything, you rinse and repeat the same process to the other side of the tail light. So once you're done with the installation on both the tail lights and then this front piece here, now the last thing to do is just post heat all around the tint. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and it sticks to the tail light and it doesn't lift over time. So we want to secure all of the edges with tack solution and then with heat all around. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Rivian R1T 2022. We hope this video helps you guys out. If you guys do have questions in terms of the installation, feel free to message us and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video.